Rigid, Milwaukee, DeWalt, Sawzall. Oh my god. Like, that hurt my fucking dome.
Well, maybe you shouldn't do it then. Yeah, I don't know.
The glass.
New Cateye, who this? This thing is clean. Oh hey, didn't see you guys over there. Checking out the new truck, eh? Oh hey, what's up? You like my spaceship? Goes to the moon. We'll do 0 to 60 faster than your mother's Tesla. Smoke about anything on the planet. Makes about 1,000 horsepower to every wheel individually. But yeah, it has 6 transmissions inside it. 1 for every wheel, even though there's 4, and then there's 2 transmissions in the middle at about 7,000 horsepower per. But yeah, I guess all you have to do to get a nice truck these days is be a sarcastic douchebag on the internet. Not make any sense about anything, what's going on, or what you're doing. And it actually starts to make sense once you start doing it.
Get the kitty litter.
This should fix her on up. Nice. Oh. Limited F-150. Ah, my new truck is here. Nice. Another Bert build shitbox. Keep her coming. Keep her coming. This way. Come on. Keep her coming. All right, sir. I'd like to thank you for bringing me my new truck.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Nice little shitbox.
Holy shit, man. She looks really good. I'm impressed. Dang. New truck, boys. Woo, new truck.
I got it all in the backup, tricking him out like an actor. Get in the way, I'ma smack ya. Drop me 12 like a raptor. Walking the mall like I had that. Look at your bitch like I had that. Laughing it off as you fall back. Running this up, getting mad cash. Hey, it's a spaceship. Dripping your bitch with a bracelet. Looking at me on the A-list. Hey.
This is fucking disgusting. But we just put a cam in her. Should be making about approximately 642,000 horsepower now. Put the window down here. Do a burn ski. Dude, am I gonna be out my 4th truck in like 3 weeks? This thing was fucking mint. Look at this interior. There's like 50K on this truck. Oh, no. Dude, that cam was fucking sick. This should fix her on up. This ain't right. Woo! I feel like something's gonna shoot out at me. Dude. Get it out. What are you doing? Nice. All right, this is a clean grill. For sale, who wants it?
Who wants it? Cheap.
Cheap, hit us up. 4x4. Whoa, this thing's mint. Interior is in great condition. 2,500. Testing out the capabilities of this Milwaukee here, Sawzall. They have a 5.0 lithium-ion battery, fully fueled. Not getting plugged in. look at this tire.
The guy said it was rust free. What the hell?
I don't know what to tell you,
We
dude.
paid extra.
Mint.
It's 2-wheel drive now.
Absolutely mint here, boys. So, as you can see, we made some massive improvements to the looks of this here Chevy. It's absolutely impeccable now. Absolutely impeccable. I would take it to many shows. Many shows. Fucker. Nope, pretty poor. Can't even go through. Look at that. Brand new. Full battery. Same with all these. Full bats, full bats. But you know, the Sawzall never fails. Gas cap, who wants it?
Why would I need that thing?
It's worth like $4,000.
That thing's junk.
What?
This whole truck is junk.
No, it's not. Hey.
It's a junkyard.
See the guy going by. He's gonna fucking land this. Oh shit. Damn. Solid. Perfectly. Not broken or anything. So apparently, if you take a spark plug, get the porcelain out of it like so. Ceramic, actually, not porcelain. It's like a really hard substance, and it can break glass like nothing.
Nice.
Had to cut this bedside open. Look at all this rust in here. Had to repair it.